Mighty O Donuts is a chain of donut cafe restaurants and donut wholesaler in Seattle, Washington, founded in 2000. Their donuts are made of GMO-free, zero trans fat, vegan, organic ingredients, baking donuts for retail and wholesale at all cafes. The main cafe is located in the Keystone Building in Tangletown, part of Seattle's Wallingford neighborhood. Locations in Ballard and Capitol Hill were added in 2015. In 2010, the food magazine Bon Appetit named Mighty O one of the 10 best donut shops in the United States. It also received a $10,000 prize for the best donuts in the televised Food Network Challenge, Donut Champions, filmed in November 2010. In 2014, PETA named Mighty O the best vegan-friendly donut shop in the U.S. The company donates some of its earnings to educational and non-profit organizations. In addition, Mighty O's work to strengthen the Seattle community is demonstrated through participating in bicycle benefits, donating all unsold donuts to area hospitals, food pantries and non-profit events. They are currently in the works of replacing a parking spot with a parklet in front of their Ballard location. Notes. References. Mighty O, Top Pot, People's Cake, Food Network Challengers, The Seattle Times, April 7, 2011. How a Mighty O Donuts Baker Beats All on Food Network, City's Best, April 14, 2011. Holy Shit, Mighty O's Vegan Donut Delight, Seattle Weekly, May 2, 2011. External links. Official website.